and welcome. Today's video we are unboxing my Ipsy PR. These are potential brands you will see in your Ipsy for December. They did send this over. Well, I guess I just said unboxing my Ipsy PR. Okay, anyways, so lost my train of thought there. Congratulations, Rhonda. Welcome. Hi, my name's Rhonda. Just said that too. I'm on repeat and in my own head today, but let me be. Okay, because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we keep it cute or put it on mute. Mute being the big thing that if you want to leave a nasty comment, gonna ask you really nicely, please don't. Okay, anyway, shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. You don't have to help support the channel, but you choose to, and I do appreciate you all so much. Don't forget to check out my other channels, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, where I do a lot of plus size curvy girl fashion hauls over there. I can't get out of this outfit, so there's probably gonna be like 5 videos where I'm in the same one for good reason. My husband and I are matchy today, and I've talked about it in every video that I have filmed, but I can't get enough of it. Okay, Halar is amazing. Anyways, Hot Mess in the Kitchen is my latest channel that at this point in time I don't have content up over there, but I filmed it, just gotta edit it. Busy mom life, you know what I mean? So anyways, if you are curious about Ipsy, Ipsy offers 3 different subscriptions. 2 are monthly, 1 is quarterly, and in this box, actually they offer refreshments too, so that's a whole other subscription. But anyways, in this box should be the Ipsy Glambag Plus and the Ipsy Glambag. Now, I also purchased the Ipsy Glambag, and I do dedicated videos of that when it comes in. And I did want to ask you all if you want me to start putting my Glambag PR up against my Glambag paid for, kind of like what I do with my Ipsies or my boxies at the end of the month. So let your girl know down below, because I can definitely do that for y'all if you are interested. And then when Haley comes over, she's my 22-year-old that back when she was 16 we started doing Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter. She's a busy bee. She's an adult. She lives like anyways, when she's got time and we remember we film Ipsy versus Ipsy. Normally when she comes over we just hang out and forget, but hopefully we will be filming that for December. And if we get, would you guys want to see November even though it's already passed? I don't know. Anyways, let me know. So as always, because it is set in PR, 1, I don't get to pick or customize or anything like that, which I'm totally okay with, but sometimes what goes in the plus will actually be put in here. I feel like just for like safety shipping reasons kind of dealio. So let's go ahead and start with this. I love this, with the Glam Bag. This bag is about, with tax in Kentucky, about $16. You typically see deluxe size samples, and sometimes you'll get some full size, like a full size lipstick or something in here, or an eyeshadow highlighter, but you do get to customize 1 item in here. But this is what the bag looks like, and I love the texture of it. It's so nice and soft, and I am a texture queen. So when we open it up, my guess is this goes over here and this maybe goes here. So we're gonna go like that. So we're not gonna talk about what's in there. So first we're gonna start off with this. This is this called like the SL Miss Glam, I think? Is it on here? It is. SL Miss Glam, I was right. Okay, and this is the flat brush TT04. But isn't it so pretty? It's got the little gemstones in there. So this is gorgeous. And then it's got like a purple, violety, like floof, light, what's that called? Ombre. That's what I was trying to say. All right, so my guess it would go like so. Next in here, we've got, oh, the Milk Makeup Rise Mascara. I've never tried that before. Ooh. Oh my gosh, flashback at TikTok. Have you guys seen, I'm a Gemini with ADHD, so shh. I'm gonna take 15 left-hand turns, okay? All right? Anyways, there is this woman on TikTok. I watch her TikToks all the time. She's freaking amazing. And she does these Kardashian parodies. And so she'll act like Kim and Kourtney and Khloe and Kylie. And she's always like, ooh, Stormy. And she acts like Kylie. And she does such a freaking good job. And so yeah, as soon as I was like, ooh, yeah. Anyways, there's that. Next in here, ooh, like that. Ooh, this is the Fenty Skin Total Cleanser. I've been wanting to try Fenty Skin so freaking bad. I've never tried. If this is a deluxe size sample, it's 1.52 ounces. Wow, this is large, and that's nice. It's travel friendly. That's it. I'm very excited to try this. And this is a great size for the glam bag. Next in here is, what is this? The Biro New York Treat Me? What is this? Rose tea. Oh, it's an eye cream. So see, it's tiny, but it's an eye cream. So I feel like it's not like insanely tiny. My lighting is so wonky today. Well, the way the packaging is, I can't tell if it's totally full. And here, sometimes you can like hold it up and you can see where it is, but I don't know. It feels like it's probably a good amount like full in there, if that was really a good sentence. I mean, I try so hard. But anyways, next in here we have the Lottie London Wing Woman. This will be an instant gift to Haley. It's a liquid liner, and I would assume it's like wrapped in plastic, but I would assume it's kind of like the felt tip, which are Haley's favorite. You guys see, I don't wear wings at all because the struggle's real. Oh my gosh, my battery is flashing. All right, next in here, let's talk about what you will potentially see in I may cut out and I'll have to switch, but what you may potentially see in the Glam Bag Plus. Okay, this is cute. I feel like we don't typically see writing on our bags, but you always get a little drawstring, and typically things come in here, but when it's PR, it's kind of just put in the box. So next in here, we've got the Kate Berkey Vitamin C Face Cream. I think we saw this in BoxyCharm before. If you received Boxy, let me know. I think we have, and I think you all told me this is actually a really good skincare line. I have a lot of backup. I haven't tried it yet. Ooh, aesthetically beautiful. So it's in like a frosted glass jar. Either way, if you guys have tried it, let me know. It says it's powered by science. Next in here, we've got a Ciate London Velvet Palette. It's a 12-pan eyeshadow palette, which I always get excited to see makeup. You guys know that. Oh, I have this one. Okay. I'll be gifting this one because I do actually already own this. It is a really pretty palette. So there's that. You may see that. I wonder if that was a choice. Let me know down below if that was a choice. Ooh. Next in here, we've got the Tarte. Oh, this is a shadow and liner. I've never seen something like this. Pink, golden pink luster in black. Oh, it is black. Oh, so... oh my gosh, okay, so this side is like a bronzy color, real soft, and then I guess on the other side is a black liner. That's nice. And you know what, I really like Tarte's liners. Oh, they're so beautiful and creamy. I have their Sugar Rush. I don't even know if Tarte still makes that, but I have that on my tight line, which is the upper line. Yeah, and the water line is down below. So this is actually pretty, and I wonder too if you could actually put that on your waterline. The golden color, I bet that would be really pretty. Next in here, oh my gosh, I'm so excited over this. This is the Caviar by Alterna. It's the Caviar Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture CC Cream. It's a 10-in-1 complex hair cream. This brand is amazing. I've talked to y'all about it so many times back when I was doing the depot shot in like 2010, 2011, and it wreaked havoc on my body and hair. It was like it ate my hair from the ends up. It was the most jacked up thing, and my mom's hairdresser recommended Alterna. Fell in love, and it definitely helped my hair. Last in here, we have got the Pink Dips Soft Matte Primer. It is in a box, but it's a primer. Oh, okay, so it's kind of like the e.l.f. or the Tatcha looking. I thought I had a scent. It does not. That's cool. I wonder if it does like color correcting. Being that pinky color. The velvet matte texture glides effortlessly over the skin, smoothing out the imperfections, and it gives you a poreless effect. So that is very interesting. I've not heard of this brand before either. Pink Lips, have you guys? I don't know. All right. Well, thank you, Ipsy, for sending this over. I definitely appreciate it. I love unboxing it for you all. And like I said, typically everything would just come right in here if you go ahead and sign up for Ipsy. But I think these are nice brands. Like, I'm very excited to see the Alterna. If you want to sign up, I will have a link down below. It's just my personal referral link from when I, since I sign up for Ipsy and I get the glam bag. But if you guys want to sign up, go ahead and check out my description box down below. I'll have Martha's Good Candle link as well as my makeup if you are interested. Definitely make sure to check out my other channels, Hotmess Momma Vlogs and Hotmess in the Kitchen. Once again, thank you to my YouTube members for helping out. And don't forget to follow me over on Instagram and TikTok. And let me know your thoughts on the brands coming to Ipsy for December. Until next time, friends, kisses from Kentucky. Bye.
You don't want to talk anymore. I want to get so numb, what we enemies.